Hi everyone, I'm here today with Kevin Bidner of HCN. He's going to tell us a little bit about his company. So without further ado, Kevin, can you tell us a little bit about your venture?
Yes, thank you, Kat. I'm one of the co-founders of HCN, Hotel Communication Network, and we are placing tablet computers into the hotel industry, creating an e-commerce platform. Think Amazon for travel, and what we're doing is creating a marketplace by installing a critical mass of tablets in the hotel rooms in each market that we enter. So in San Francisco, we now have 7,000 rooms in the top hotels downtown San Francisco. And literally 85–90% of the guests every day use the tablets to explore the hotel and explore the city. So it's a revolution for the hotelier who can do away with all paper in the rooms and put a digital interface in front of the guests. And of course, with millennials now hitting the marketplace, it's much more relevant than paper in the rooms. Second of all, it's a direct connection into the hotel that allows the guests to get everything they want in a much more streamlined, easy way. Live chat, direct ordering, ordering food, room service, etc. But for the guest, it's also a great way to explore the city and get what you need and want. And you know, we are developing a chat bot where you'll just say, hey, I'm looking for some sushi, can you make some suggestions? And artificial intelligence will be the concierge that will direct you and learn about you and give you the suggestions that you're looking for.
So I have a question that's all very interesting. How exactly do you penetrate the hotel market, and what hotels are you currently installed in?
Well, thanks. So it's not an easy industry to crack. Hoteliers are slow off the mark with new technology. The hotel room hasn't really changed very much, in the last several decades. It's still a book on the desk and a telephone. And so what we do is we lower the barrier to adoption by dropping the cost to the hotelier. And we do that by multi-monetization. So we pick up revenue by putting advertising on these screens from the local marketplace, from national brands, and from conventions that can advertise using these digital billboards right in their attendee rooms. And that advertising revenue allows us to drop the cost to the hotelier, reducing the barriers to entry. We're in the top Hiltons, Marriotts, Hyatts, Fairmonts in San Francisco, now going into Chicago, and next will be Atlanta. So we're ready to march across the country now and duplicate this template.
That's very interesting as well. I guess my next question is the question that most every investor would have. How do you make money?
Well, money is important.
Definitely.
And the idea is we enter the industry with the Trojan horse of the tablet, and then we pick up multiple revenue streams. The hotelier, even though they don't pay for the tablets, we lease them, and then, so we're paying for the tablets. The hoteliers are buying services on our communication network, connecting them with their guest. So we install the tablets free, they can do away with paper, but when they want direct interaction with the guest, like ordering room service, connecting up for live chat, those are added services. In addition, we're selling advertising and getting commissions on ticket sales in the local marketplace, as well as national advertising and convention advertising, all different revenue streams that make us profitable. By the time we install a tablet, we're already profitable before we ever install.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So I hate to be like the overbearing aunt at holidays, but what is your 3-year plan? Where do you see the company going in 3 years?
So we've actually been at this a long time, Catlin, and we were the first in the marketplace. We have some important patents. We saw the way that the industry would one day go, long before the industry itself sees it. And so we've installed in the biggest hotels and gotten the attention of the major brands. Now the major brands are finally turning around and saying, wow, a tablet in the guest room is the right technology. And it's not just us. Worldwide, tablets are starting to show up in hotel rooms. And we believe the major brands are about to do global brand-wide rollouts of tablets, and millions of tablets will be placed into the industry. HCN has a very important patent on meeting and convention communication, which will give us a big advantage over our competitors. Because we were in the market first and saw it first, we were able to get that important patent. And of course, if Hilton or Marriott or any of the major brands is looking at a brand-wide rollout, they're going to need to give their meeting and convention customers, their biggest customers, the ability to communicate into their rooms. and that's the patent that HCN has. So we believe what will happen is a sole source rollout where HCN becomes the biggest player in a multi-million room global rollout of this technology. Now, even 100,000 tablets is 3 million people a month using our technology and using our travel app in their room. And of course, that's a downloadable app, and eventually more and more people will download the app, and that's how we intend to penetrate the market with our concierge in your pocket. And that really is the long-range vision of the company.
Wow, well, I love a patent. That's very exciting and important. And I think that, the long-term plan definitely seems to, be sound. I guess the next step would be, as a potential investor watching this video, kind of what do you need to get to that point? And how can people who are perhaps interested in helping you get to that point, how do they get in touch with you?
Great. Well, thanks for asking. So we are in the middle of an investment round now, and any investors that would like to find out more can simply go on my website, which is www.hcn-inc.com. And you can click on the more info and send me an email, and then we'll get back in touch.
Well, Kevin, it's been a pleasure having you here. Always love seeing you in sunny Florida.
Thank you so much.
And
nice to be
I
here.
hope a lot of people enjoy this video and they're just as excited about HCN as we are.
Well, thank you, Kat. Great interview.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. See you soon.